Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show you how to make a tasty burrito. First, gather all your fresh ingredients. This includes your choice of seasoned meat, fluffy rice, savory beans, and vibrant salsa. Next, gently warm your tortillas. This makes them soft and flexible, preventing tears during rolling. Finally, set up your assembly line to ensure a smooth and enjoyable burrito making experience. Get ready to build your perfect meal. Now, let's build your masterpiece. Begin by spreading a base layer of rice or beans down the center of your warm tortilla, leaving about 1.5 inches clear on the sides. Strategically layer your other fillings, like seasoned meat and salsa, keeping them centered. Remember, less is often more. Avoid overfilling to ensure a neat, secure roll. Finish with your favorite fresh toppings, such as shredded cheese or a dollop of guacamole. Mastering the roll is key to a perfect burrito. First, fold the two opposite sides of the tortilla inward, covering the ends of your fillings. Next, take the bottom edge of the tortilla and tuck it tightly over the ingredients, pulling back slightly to compact everything. Then, roll the burrito forward firmly and evenly, maintaining that tight seal. This technique ensures all your delicious fillings stay securely inside, ready for enjoyment. Your delicious homemade burrito is now complete. For the best experience, serve it immediately while the ingredients are warm and fresh. If you prefer a slightly crispy exterior, you can lightly grill or toast your burrito for a minute or two on each side. Don't forget to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, along with other great deals. Enjoy every flavorful bite of your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.